Yo, what's going on, dudes? Hopefully everyone is doing okay, so welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, hasn't it? So hopefully everyone had a good Christmas and New Year. Hopefully everyone's staying safe, and hopefully you're getting out on the bike when you can. This is the first time I've been out on the bike in probably about 5 or 6 weeks, so it's been a while, so I've been missing sitting on the bike. So I just thought I'd jump on, come out while it's fairly ice free. It's cold, a wee bit slippy, but the temperature's up a wee bit, so there shouldn't be too much ice about. But I just thought I'd give you a wee update on the channel, what I've got planned for this year. So as pretty much everyone who has been on my channel before knows, that I like to kind of teach people how to ride safely. Like I've always said, I'm not an instructor. It's something I'm kind of planning on doing at some point. I'm going to be doing my advanced riding this year, so you guys will be coming along with me for that. But how much of the actual tutorial stuff I've got left, I mean, there's one or two videos that I've kind of got in mind, but there's not a great deal more, you know. I mean, there's only so much you can teach someone, and then it's a case of sort of them getting out on the bike, you know, figuring it out for themselves, getting that experience, you know. So take the stuff that I tell you, you know, as a foundation, and then go out, practice it, and then develop your own kind of riding style. So in terms of the actual tutorial stuff, there's not going to be too much more of that this year. I mean, there will be the occasional video here and there, like I said, with advanced riding, and I've got one or two videos that I've going to try and get recorded after this, hopefully, if I've got time. But there's also a few things in the works as well. I don't really have a definitive answer yet, but there is potential for doing some reviews on stuff. I'm just waiting to hear back from certain people, certain companies, but hopefully things go to plan, and I'll be bringing you guys reviews this year, which will be really good, especially once the weather gets a bit better. And if you guys follow me on social media, or if you're in the Discord, feel free to go and join it. I'll leave a link down below. You would have saw that I was talking about my brother who's just started his own YouTube channel. He's only been doing it for a few weeks, so he's still kind of learning the ropes, getting used to stuff. And it is going to be motorbike based, but it's not going to be in the same style that I do it. You know, I'm out on the bike. He's going to be more based in his garage, you know, showing you how to build. At the moment he's building, or rebuilding I should say, his classic race bike. So he's got a few videos on that, and he's working on a few more things. So go and check him out if you want to learn a bit more about engines and stuff, because it's very handy to watch this stuff and to just see how engines work and how they get put together. It's kind of cool. So I'll leave a link as well, go and check him out. But hopefully I'll be doing a few wee videos with him, because obviously he does the work on my bikes. So we've kind of spoke, and the next time I'm across getting some stuff done, the camera equipment will be coming, and we'll be making a wee video in his garage about what he's doing, what's getting done to the bike. I might even just get him to talk me through it, you know, and I'll maybe try and do it myself. I don't know how well that will go. I mean, he'll probably have to kind of double check everything, but that's fine. That is future videos that's going to be coming as well, and it won't just be one. I'm sure there'll be more videos that we'll potentially do together. Oh, I've missed that sound, man. Oh, mate. I don't know if anybody's spotted it yet. I've also got a new windscreen. I got a double bubble. I don't know how my camera angle is looking. I couldn't quite remember what the setting was that I had, because I had like a certain kind of width that I had from the helmet, and I just kind of eyeballed it today. So it might be a wee bit off. If it is, I'll sort it for the next video. But yeah, I got this screen. I put that on before Christmas. Makes so much difference, it really is, and it looks cool as well. But I got it from a company online called Skidmarks. It's quite a funny name actually, but they're really good company, and they do a lot of kind of stuff for bikes. That was one of the places where I found this, because I'd looked kind of online and stuff, and I'd bought a black double bubble before, but the fittings were all wrong. Like for this bit here, like the screen goes like that, it's got kind of like a Z shape, so it fits in here, and all the ones that I've seen and bought, they were all straight and it wouldn't fit. It's like they were made for kind of racing SVs where you don't have all this bit and stuff. But yeah, Skidmarks, if you're ever looking to get some mods, go and check them out. Not a sponsored video, by the way, I just thought I'd tell you about them in case you didn't know. Oh, somebody's getting a ticket. Oh, naughty boy. Not a single indicator. My god, dude, really? So as well as the reviews and the collabs and stuff like that, I'm obviously going to be doing a few kind of not necessarily kind of adventure kind of videos, but more just kind of touring about Scotland. It will start off just kind of small in the central area where I stay, and then we'll kind of go further afield, and then if we get the opportunity we'll definitely go up and down the country. And at the moment the Isle of Man is going ahead, but if the Isle of Man is on, I'll be taking whatever bike I've got at the time across. And you're probably wondering why I said that. Yeah, I'm toying with the idea of getting rid of the SV. It's not got anything to do with the SV. You know, the SV is a fantastic bike. It is an amazing bike, but it's just, you know, if you're a rider, you'll know what I'm talking about. There will come a point where you'll go, I think it's time, you know, to get rid of the bike, you know, move on to something else. So I'm moving up to a litre bike. I'm not going to give away what I'm getting yet, but there are a few things that are on the table that I might be getting, but it's not going to be till probably kind of March, April time. There's not much point buying a new bike just now. I mean, potentially I might get a better deal because of the time of year, but I don't know. I'm kind of more just kind of waiting until springtime, and then we'll look about putting this beauty up for sale and moving on to something else. But anyway, regardless of what bike I've got, if the Isle of Man is on, we'll be going to the Isle of Man this year. I will be going myself though. I was going to be going with my missus, but you know, things get in the way, work, obviously my wee girl's disabled, so it's not always the easiest to get her in respite for the amount of time that the Isle of Man's on. So it's yeah, so she's decided, look, you go, it's more your thing anyway. You know, so it'll just be myself. So we'll work it out, it'll be fine. We've got tripods, we've got several cameras, so I'm looking forward to it, providing we can go. Had a few ideas about what to do with the channel, and you know, like I've said, the whole tutorial thing, there's only so much you can do with that, and then the content's going to dry up. You know, it is going to dry up. Channel at the moment is, I'm loving the numbers. Obviously subscribers are still going up every week. It's time to kind of start getting back on the grind, getting videos out again, see where it goes from there really. But I don't really know about the upload schedule yet. Obviously if I'm going to be doing touring videos and reviews and stuff, I can only do a review video when I have a product to review, and I can only do touring videos when I'm touring, you know. So I'm not too sure about the upload schedule yet, but I've got a couple more videos that are lined up that are going to get recorded, so I just need to find time to get them done. But I'm just out taking my time today. I done a little kind of service the other day, gave it a good wash, gave it a wee service, made sure everything was working the way it was supposed to work. And the first couple of minutes out, the back end did go whoop on the gravel, not on the gravel, on the road, sorry. It was just a wee bit slippy. Yeah, I'm just taking my time today, staying away from all the slippy bits, all the shiny bits, you know, all the don't cross when it's this time of year stuff, you know. But it feels good to get back out on the bike. But I thought I'd just come out and make sure the bike's running the way she should be running, just get that initial first ride under my belt, because it's always a little bit nerve-wracking when you've not been on the bike for a while, and just give you guys a wee update. I mean, I've been on social media and Discord and stuff anyway, so I mean, you know, I kind of feel bad sometimes that I've not been uploading, you know, especially the tutorial stuff. But I mean, most of the tutorial stuff that I wanted to get done is done anyway, and obviously whenever I speak to you guys online, you're always more than understanding, which is always helpful. You know, it's taking the pressure off a little bit to get videos out, you know. But anyway dudes, that's the update. I just thought I'd jump on the bike, give you guys a wee update in the channel, have a quick chat and let you know what the plan is for some of this year, and we'll see where it goes from there. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, guys, give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate every single one of your likes, and of course if you want to see all of my uploads, click on that subscribe button and ring the bell while you're there. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a video. But until next time dudes, stay safe, ride safe, take it easy.